When it comes to home improvement, installing new windows is one of the most impactful changes you can make. Whether you're upgrading your home for better energy efficiency, enhancing curb appeal, or simply replacing old, worn-out windows, opting for professional window installation in Birmingham is a decision that can bring long-term benefits. Although it may seem like a significant upfront investment, there are several reasons why hiring professionals for window installation in Birmingham is well worth the cost. Expertise and skill. Professional window installation services in Birmingham bring the expertise and skill needed to get the job done right. Installing windows is not a simple task. It requires precision to ensure the windows are securely fitted, sealed properly, and aligned with the surrounding structure. Without proper installation, even the highest quality windows can suffer from drafts, leaks, and poor performance. Experienced installers know how to handle different window types, frame materials, and potential challenges that might arise during the installation process. They are well versed in the best practices, and can ensure that the windows are installed according to local building codes, offering you peace of mind that your investment is being handled with the utmost care. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to opt for professional window installation in Birmingham is the long-term energy savings. Properly installed windows significantly improve a home's insulation, preventing heat from escaping during the winter and keeping your home cooler in the summer. Energy-efficient windows can help lower your heating and cooling costs, making the initial investment in professional installation pay off over time. In Birmingham, where the climate can fluctuate between chilly winters and warm summers, having windows that are installed correctly and sealed properly is crucial to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Poor installation can lead to drafts, moisture buildup, and the loss of energy efficiency, ultimately costing you more money on your energy bills. Increased home value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, professional window installation can enhance its value. High quality, well-installed windows are a selling point that homebuyers notice immediately. Not only do they improve the aesthetic appeal of your home from both the inside and outside, but they also provide practical benefits, such as energy efficiency and noise reduction. Investing in new windows can also elevate your home's curb appeal, making it stand out in the competitive Birmingham real estate market. Buyers are often willing to pay more for a property that has modern, energy-efficient windows already installed, saving them the expense and hassle of a future upgrade. Long-term durability and maintenance. When you hire professional installers, you're not just paying for the installation itself, you're also ensuring the longevity of your windows. Professional installation ensures that your windows are set up to last for many years with minimal maintenance. This is particularly important in Birmingham, where the weather can be unpredictable. Rain, wind, and fluctuating temperatures can take a toll on improperly installed windows, leading to leaks, fogging, or even structural damage. With professional installation, you can avoid these common issues and enjoy durable, functional windows that require less maintenance. Moreover, many professional installation companies offer warranties on both the windows and the installation process, giving you added protection and peace of mind. Safety and risk reduction. Window installation can be a dangerous task, particularly if you're attempting to install heavy, large windows yourself. Professional window installers in Birmingham are trained to safely handle windows of all sizes, reducing the risk of injury. They have the right tools and equipment to ensure the installation is done safely and efficiently. Additionally, professionals are familiar with local building regulations and codes, so they can ensure the installation complies with Birmingham's safety standards. This can prevent potential safety hazards and costly fines that might arise from DIY installations that fail to meet these requirements. Time and convenience. Window installation can be a time-consuming and complicated project. If you choose to install the windows yourself, you'll need to dedicate a significant amount of time to measuring, removing old windows, and ensuring the new ones fit perfectly. With a professional service, the job is typically completed much quicker, and the installers take care of everything, from start to finish. Hiring experts also ensures that the job is done right the first time, avoiding the inconvenience of having to fix mistakes or deal with issues later. This can be especially important if you have a busy schedule and prefer to spend your time on other priorities. Conclusion. In the competitive Birmingham housing market, making smart investments in your home can provide long-lasting benefits. Professional window installation is a wise choice that enhances energy efficiency, increases home value, and provides peace of mind with expert craftsmanship and long-term durability. While the initial investment may seem significant, the return on that investment is clear: lower energy bills, reduced maintenance, and a more comfortable and secure home for years to come.